2016 O-Level Mathematics on Part B, question number 1. This is on fractions. Let's see how the question is. Mr. Kit City made a cash donation to a community center. 2/9 of the total amount he donated was used to buy musical instruments and 1/2 to buy sports equipment. Right, let's see what's the question. They have given the Roman number 1. Find what fraction of the total amount was used to buy musical instruments and sports equipment. They had clearly mentioned 2/9 of the total amount will be using to donate to buy musical instruments, at the same time 1/2 to buy sports equipment. So then we have to add up those two to find the total amount. So they're asking to find the total amount. We have to add them up, those two fractions, to find the total amount they'll be donating for both of them, right? So then here we'll be adding up 2/9, we'll be adding up to 1/2. So then we have to bring both of them to the same denominator. So I'll be multiplying this fraction, both the numerator and the denominator, by 2, and this fraction, both the numerator and the denominator, by 9. So then I'll be getting here 4/18, and I'll be getting here 9/18. So then when I add those two up, those numerators as the denominators are same, so then answer will be 13/18. Right, let's see now the next one, what they're asking. 1/5 of the remaining amount was used to buy books of the library, right? So they clearly say 1/5 of the remaining amount they'll be using to buy books of the library. So then they have already donated 13/18. So the remaining has to be 5/18. By that only, by that 5/18 only, they'll be using for buying books of the library. So then we have write like this: 5/18 is the remaining amount, 1/5 of that. So then 1/5 of 5/18. So then of operation means we have to multiply. We can cancel off these two 5's, numerator, the denominator. So then 1/18 they have used to buy books, right? So then the next one, the amount remaining after purchasing the books and used to renovate, the amount remaining after purchasing the books was used to renovate community center. So then they have used up already for musical instruments certain fraction, at the same time for sports equipments and to buy books also. So then after that there will be a certain amount remaining that will be used up to renovate the community center. So then it's supposed to be then the total whole one, from whole one we have to subtract what they have used. So then it's supposed to be 13/18 they have used up to donate to get musical instruments and sports equipment, and after that to buy books 1/18. So then this whole one you can write as 18/18. These two we can add up, so it is 14/18. So then 4/18 is the remainder. So then that's a fraction they'll be using to renovate the community center. Right, round number 4. If the renovation cost was 20,000, find the total amount Mr. Gitz donated. So then 4/18 has to be equal to 20,000. First of all, what we have to do, we have to find 1/18. For that, what we have to do, we have divide this 20,000 by 4 to find the total amount. What we have to do, we have to find 18/18. Then what we have to do, we have to multiply 5,000 by 18. So then it should be 90,000 rupees.